Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the N and P instruction in Siemens PLC S7-300 in the bit logic section. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my schematic manager software and here we will design this one bit, choose one input address from the bit logic and here select, and this is first, and one I take output, and in the between this I take this n, the n instruction. I address give the I 124.0 and this we will make it down, and here address we will give just only internal memory. For example, M0.0 we can choose, and here we will choose output 1. For example, Q 124.0, this first input also we will choose. So this I will download to the PLC and we will make the simulation on, and here I give the signal at I0.I124.0, my first input. If I can show you in my camera, this is my PLC inputs. I give the, as I signal give, here this will be selected for input. You can see this signal is ready, and also in PLC also you can see here is the, in the PLC, at the PLC you can see the signals. You can see here is a signal is ready. Here you can see this indication is on, but as I remove the signal, after it will be just giving one pulse, but this not possible to see the pulse because of this is just small, in milliseconds this giving the pulse. So what we can do for this understanding, stop the PLC and we will change it here that symbols. Also, if you not like to do, you can just delete this, just delete, and you can check it here from set yani. Here set Q 124.0, because after when this giving the pulse here, and this will be go to set condition, and here in same this action we will give it here this input we will take 1, and 1 we will take the here negative command, and also we will take one output for reset, and see, because we will make it set from here, and after we will make it the reset here, and we will address give the I 124.1 signal when we give, after we need to be make it reset, and here this will internal memory address we can give M0.1 we can give, and here same this address Q 124.0 we will use, because of we like to be make reset this Q 124.0. So this program we will write to the PLC, and as message will be block loaded, your program is ready in the PLC. So this I will arrange the window, we will small this program, and we can see in the camera. Okay, and as I give the signal at 124.0, after our 124.0 will be set at here our PLC, and also I connected with this uh, PLC have my one output for my bulbs, that you can see in my little behind the PLC. And now we will give this first signal. Now you can see my first signal is ready. This we will be monitor first here, and after now you can see this signal is ready, and also at here PLC signal is ready. But why not is our Q124 point is set? Because of we are using this and negative edge. When we remove the signal, after this output will be on. So I remove the signal from 124.0 from, you can see this our output is now on. And as I give the signal at 124.1, after this will be go to reset. But when go to be reset? When I remove the signal. This just we must understand. When I remove the signal, my signal is now ready, and here also I 124.1 is signal is ready, but our output is not reset. As I remove the signal, after you will be see your output is now off. Same as this function, if we like to be use it here, just only positive edge, delete this one, and here we will use this positive edge, and here also we will use this one positive edge. And address, if you like to be use that same, we can use m0.0, and here also m0.0. So your program is ready. And same this function when we download to PLC, after see the behave and make the simulation. Now simulation is ready, it's now running. Now see what will be changed. As I give the signal, our output will be go to set. You can see now it immediately set. I remove the signal now, and as we give the signal at 124.1, after our output will be stop. See, this is our go to reset. So this is for set, this is for reset. So this is very easy method, but must be have to be understand. This is the negative edge. Negative edge means when you give the signal and after you remove the signal, after your output will be on. And same as when you like to be make it a reset. And also this is just giving one signal, pulse giving this, not a continue giving power bus pulse giving, and after remove the pulse. And after you can use the set reset or your internal memory if you like to be used, or somewhere program you have to be just giving one signals. So this way you can use this command, this p and n instruction. Hope guys you will be understand about this one. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.